time to unveil what the new project is for 2024, 25 and maybe into 26. So Silver Shadow 2's gone, and what have we got now? So let's go and see. Anybody guess yet? Okay, let's do the unveiling. It's difficult to do with one hand, but here we go. Behind me is the Bentley Mulsanne, which is my new car as of, it would have been October 2024 when I got the car. It's now May 25 and it's been some time, and it's been very remiss of me not to update my video log page, but I've been pretty busy. The car has been, not long after it, I had it ceramic coated. It went away at the end of October for its winter hibernation. I don't tend to use that during the winter, and it came out at the end of March, so I've been running it now for a couple of months, and it is a superb car. It's a 2016 model. It had 16,000 miles on it when I bought it locally just outside of Glasgow. It had just had a service from Bentley. I thought about taking out the 2-year warranty, which Bentley quoted me £8,000 to do. I got Bentley to go through the whole warranty check to make sure it would qualify for it, and it did. So after its service, basically the car was in perfect condition, and all I had to do if I wanted to take out the warranty was pay £8,000, which I felt, given the state of the car and the low mileage of 16,000, I just felt it was a bit of a risk. Spoke to my friends at Mulsanne Motors and said, what's the chance of me spending £8,000 in repairs over a 2-year period? And they were quite honest with me and said that was hopefully very unlikely. So I've taken the risk on that. I haven't gone for the warranty. So anything that goes wrong with this vehicle, unfortunately now, is it's going to be on my pocket to repair. So that will be an interesting series of video logs to do over the coming years, just to see how costly, or hopefully how not costly, Bentley Mulsanne is in running the car. So that's the challenge. I've moved on now from the Silver Shadow, which was a lovely car, but in my mind it was too delicate. It wasn't. It only had one, anybody that saw the video logs would notice it only had one issue on it, or one sort of repair during its 2 years with me, but I just felt it was a bit precious. This car here, this is my 4th Bentley. I've had an Enrage, I've had 2 GTs, Continental GTs, and I just thought something different this time, and I like my big soft motoring, so I've decided to give the Mulsanne a go. Value for money, I don't want to talk about how much it cost me, but value for money, it's a fraction of the price this car was when it was new, and hey ho, 16,000 miles over, what, 9 years? You know, less than 2,000 miles a year. What can go wrong? But hopefully nothing. But we'll see over the coming video logs as to how it performs as such. So yeah, it's all about owning and running a Bentley Mulsanne. Not a lot of people probably will have the opportunity to have one of these cars. They're now out of production, and so I don't know how many members or how many YouTube people will be interested in running a Bentley Mulsanne. But anyway, we'll give it a go. The Silver Shadow appealed to quite a lot of people, and I had quite a few people join my Facebook group, so hopefully this will interest more of you. Bit more modern car, less of us granddads running around in one of these, although I don't know if it really appeals to a younger person. And saying that, I had a much younger chap come up to me today before I left home to say, now I reckon he was in his early 40s, to commend me on the car and said how lovely it was, etc. So maybe it does appeal to more of the younger generation. I've only done one wedding since I had the car, which was my niece's wedding back in late October 2024. She did originally ask me for the Silver Shadow, but I did say to her that was probably going to be sold. So she got the Bentley instead, and she loved it. So there we go. So I'll keep you posted as to how we proceed on this, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos.